Alright, welcome to the channel. This is going to be my first video at Bash's Garage. First thing we're going to be doing today is we're going to be checking out a weird engine noise. Almost like a humming or like a low thrum coming from the engine bay when it's running. So the sound's going to typically sound about something like this. Alright, so after a minute here, we're gonna have our engine noise. We got our first symptom. We're gonna have a slight drop in our idle speed. And it's gonna be a very, very annoying low engine thrum, kind of like that. Our culprit is gonna be right here. It's gonna be called our idle air control motor. The removal process is gonna be pretty simple. It's just gonna be two 8mm bolts, one at the top and one at the bottom, and then a quick electrical disconnect. Right, so we got our old one right here. See, it's can't really tell, but it's very dirty, especially through here, even on the outside. Now, before I put up my new one on, I'm just gonna go ahead and get a paper towel in there, clean it a little bit. Correct size gasket thingy. Put the two 8mm bolts back in and that electrical connection. There we go. Right down. Electrical connection. Got your hose to your intake, two 8mm bolts, you're all done. Alright, so we got our new idle air control motor in. Give it a quick start up just to see if it made a difference. Oh yeah. Right off the bat, idle's a lot smoother. Holds itself at a better range. No bobbing, no funky sounds, no nonsense.